coconut secret. Organicville. Stonewall Kitchen. Sunny's Gourmet. Aloha Shoyu. Jess. Sunbird. Iron Chef. Old Foods Market. Makes a masterpiece. Trader Joe's. Choy. Yoshida's original gourmet sweet and savory marinade and cooking sauce. Kikkoman. Any Chun for life.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.